Chris here, Nice Garage. Again, part 3 in an additional side note video. This is a 2016 Honda CR-V. I'm putting a radio in, and my Maestro guide is telling me that the Bluetooth unit in this vehicle is above the glove box. It is not. Doing a little bit of research on the internet, seeing what it looked like as a replacement part. Here's the radio opening. If you see, it is right down there. It's not really accessible. I have to unplug it, and I may have to tap onto one. Well, I'm supposed to tap onto one of the wires. I'm not sure if I gotta plug it back in or leave it unplugged. But either way, it's behind the shifter, behind all that, not accessible from the glove compartment. So it's not going to be an easy task, but I just wanted everybody to know where the location of it was in case somebody else is looking for it. And I'll be sure to make part 4 to this video series. Thanks, guys.